Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I have another CGC unboxing. I have 10 books to show you. In front of us we have the Batman The Long Halloween, number 5, the Valentine's Day, 9.8. Next one is number 4, that's the New Year's Eve cover. It's also 9.8. Next one is the number 9. That is the Father's Day cover. It's also 9.8. Trying to get all 13 issues for my collection at a 9.8. This is number 2. That is the Thanksgiving cover. It's 9.8. Next one is number 1. This is a hot book right now. It's heating up. This is the crime cover. It's the Long Halloween number 1. 9.8. Rumor has it that the next Batman movie is going to be based on this storyline, or I think it's a character in the story that's coming out. I'm not too sure, but you know, it's warming up. Next one is Teen Titans number 20. This is cover A. This is the first appearance of Crush, Roundhouse, and I believe this character right here. It's a 9.8, cover A. I also have a cover B in my collection, 9.8 and the incentive. Next one is the Dollar Comics, the Batman Adventures number 12. This is reprinting the first appearance of Harley Quinn. It's 9.8. Next one, this is also a hot series right now. It's Ice Cream Man. This is issue number 6. This is cover A. I did send out some other ones. Just waiting for them to come back. Next is crossover number 1. This is a Donny Cates book by Image Comics. This is an incentive cover. This is the Otley cover with the Walking Dead number 1 cover. And last but not least is crossover number 1. This is the segment sketch cover. This is also an incentive cover. And I'm not sure if that's the 1 in 50 or not sure what's the ratio on that one. So that's it for today. All right, you have a good day.